Hi everyone, welcome back to another cooking vlog. I just wanted to do a really quick intro for what I will be cooking today. We're going to be making some salmon fish broth. So we stopped and got some of the stuff at Whole Foods to cook. We wanted to get some snapper, but they didn't have any, so we ended up getting some salmon, and I'm going to make some broth. So I just wanted to show you guys in this video how we're going to make it. It's really quick and simple. If you're interested in learning how to do this, maybe you can use this video as a reference and try to make it on your own. So I'm gonna be doing voiceover because I don't want to talk too much in the video because the anesthesia is wearing off, so I'm starting to feel a little bit of the pain right now. So let's go. I hope you'll enjoy. Started by cleaning the fish. We used limes and vinegar, and we let it sit for just a couple of minutes, and then we went ahead and seasoned it. My mom did the seasoning for me. These are all of the ingredients that I will be adding to the broth: some bell peppers, scallions, 3 stems of scallions, some parsley, onion, garlic, carrots, and okra. Okra is really good for you. So I started by washing all of my vegetables that I'm going to be putting into the soup or the broth. Then I went ahead and cut up all of the seasonings. So I started by cutting up my onions, then I cut up the scallions or the green onions or the shallot, then I cut up the parsley, then I cut up the bell peppers, and then I just cut the head and the tail of the okra, which you will see in the upcoming clips. Here is the fish all seasoned up. If you are going to follow this recipe, you can season your salmon however you season it. I think this just has like some salt and pepper, garlic, and some other little knickknacks on there. So here's all of my stuff that I finished cutting up. I cut up the onions, bell peppers, scallions, parsley, then I had the baby carrots, I had the okra, the fish, garlic, butter. I like to put butter in my broth, some salt, Maggi, aji, black pepper, of course my dry thyme, and my Italian seasoning. Now it's time to cook, y'all. I'll be using some extra virgin olive oil to cook with. Now that the oil is nice and hot, I like to start with my garlic. If you have been watching me, you know I always start with garlic and ginger, but I didn't put ginger in this time because I'm making broth and I don't ever put ginger in there. So this is gonna help to flavor the oil. I added some of my onions, some of the scallions, some of the parsley, some of the bell peppers, some of the Maggi. Don't worry about how it's looking. It looks like I'm pouring a lot, but it's really not a lot. Maggi is not it doesn't salt your food, it just gives it a flavor, so you still need salt if you're going to be using it. Whenever I'm cooking anything that has to do with liquids, I always keep a pot of boiling hot water on a burner, so that whenever I'm ready to use that, I use it as is demonstrated in the video. So I'm just pouring the hot water into the sauteed vegetables, and then I'm gonna put the carrots in there. I'm gonna let the carrot cook for a little while. It took maybe about 20 minutes or so for it to be soft enough before I added the fish. Adding butter to my broth always gives it a nice flavor. So if you're gonna try this out, definitely try adding some butter to your broth. It really does give it a kick. Also, I went ahead and added some aji. I added some sugar to the broth as well, because sugar helps to kick in the flavor, for lack of a better term. I added my thyme and all of that fancy stuff, and I did check to see if the carrot was soft. Once the carrot was soft enough to my liking, I went ahead and added the fish to the broth, and I let that cook for a couple of minutes. Then I added the okra. The okra was the last thing that I would have added, so that it would have steamed. I'm gonna end the voiceover here. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I thank you for watching, and I do hope you enjoyed and learned something from this cooking vlog, and I hope that you're enjoying these type of videos from me. If you are going to try this out, you can feel free to do it the exact way that I did, or you can always modify your dish to your liking. The only thing I would recommend is adding salt to taste, and also, you know, making sure that you taste as you go, so that it won't be too salty or anything like that. If you are going to try it out, I'll leave my Instagram down below, so you can tag me so I can see what you came up with, and everything. All right, thank you again for watching. If you are just a viewer, thank you for the viewership. If you are a subscriber, thank you for staying subscribed to my channel. And if you're thinking of subscribing, now is the opportune time to go ahead and subscribe, because it's free to do so, and hit the thumbs up button, and also click the bell to be notified of whenever I do upload any content to this channel. All right, again, thank you for watching, and may the good Lord watch over you. May the Lord keep you and your family safe from all harm, danger, seen and unseen. Thank you again. Share the video and leave your thoughts and comments down below. God bless you. Bye. Enjoy. Alright y'all, so the fish broth is pretty much finished, but I can't eat it right now because it's too hot, so I gotta wait until it's warm before I can eat it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to let the I'm gonna let that simmer down and let the okra steam some more, and then I'll eat it. But that's pretty much what it's looking like.